What's up, Ron Clements, Home Run on Wheels. This is Chouteau Avenue in St. Louis. You can see the Eat Right Diner right there. We're going to take a little drive through St. Louis on Route 66 until we get to Maplewood. Here we go. There's the Eat Right Purina headquarters. If you didn't know, Busch Stadium over there. You can see the arch. This is the original alignment of Route 66 through St. Louis. This is Chouteau Avenue, just south of downtown St. Louis. There's Purina again, right over here. Didn't know Purina was headquartered in St. Louis, did you? Maybe you did. This is 11th Street coming up, followed by Tucker Boulevard. Tucker takes you into the historic Soulard neighborhood of St. Louis, which is basically St. Louis's French Quarter. It's where the Mardi Gras parade is held every year. Fourteenth Street is the next light. Used to live in St. Louis, loved the city. Never grew tired of seeing the arch. Truman Parkway one way, 18th Street the other way. If you go right on 18th over here, you will get to Enterprise Center, formerly Scottrade, formerly Savis, formerly Kiel, home of the 2019 Stanley Cup champion St. Louis Blues. I-44 is undergoing some serious construction right now, so if you are traveling Route 66, or if you're just going down I-44, this would actually be the preferred route, because while you have to deal with the stoplights, you don't have to deal with the construction, which I-44 is torn up really badly right now, especially at Jefferson. 100 west, this will take you on Route 66 all the way out to Wildwood, actually even further than that, to Gray Summit, where Route 66 rejoins I-44 and heads toward Oklahoma. And here is Jefferson Avenue. Used to live right over there. Actually, I pointed that the wrong direction. Used to live back that way. I don't know. It's been a while. Pointed the phone in the wrong direction. Oops. Industrial area of St. Louis when you get a little further down on Chouteau here. Easy road to drive. Coming up on the St. Louis University campus. This is Compton. St. Louis University is over here on the other side of the bridge there. St. Louis University Hospital is right there. Home of the Billikens. What is a Billiken? Well, it's some kind of mythical being that nobody really knows what it is. But hey, good basketball, baseball, and soccer programs. The Billikens played Chaffetz Arena, which was off of Compton back there. This is Grand Avenue now, here at the light. The Rams may be gone. There's a Route 66 sign right there. The Rams may be gone, but St. Louis is still a great sports town with the baseball Cardinals, the hockey Blues, and St. Louis University. You got a Division II school in the University of Missouri St. Louis on the north side of the city off I-70. Ninth Street now is the next light. Once we get on the other side of this bridge, we will be entering the Grove neighborhood. One of my favorite places in St. Louis. There's a Route 66 sign telling you to go straight. Right there. Van Deventer, and you'll see the Grove sign when we get past this light. The Grove is full of a bunch of bars and restaurants, a lot of gay bars actually. But those are always fun. There's one right there called Rehab. Just John is awesome karaoke there. But like I said, a lot of bars and restaurants here. You also have a brewery in Urban Chestnut, which is one of the better breweries in St. Louis. It's going to be coming up here on the right. And we'll have a seamless transition into, there's another Route 66 sign telling you to turn right. We're actually going to go straight, stay on Highway 100. Seamless transition into the city of Maplewood, which is like the first St. Louis suburb you'll come into, but it's essentially the same thing. Going past Tower Grove Avenue, Tower Grove Park is one of the better city parks in St. Louis. St. Louis has a lot of city parks, including Forest Park, which is one of the largest city parks in the country, if not the largest. Very similar to Central Park in New York. There's a sign for the Grove neighborhood. Condos there. I think those are new. Here's Urban Chestnut right here. An old warehouse. Got the St. Louis Blues sign out front, even though the Blues will not be defending their Stanley Cup championship. It's the entrance to Urban Chestnut right here. Good beer there. There's a sign for Forest Park and the Hill neighborhood. An old, historic Italian neighborhood with some of the best Italian restaurants you will find anywhere in the country. The Hill, man, it's so good. Yogi Berra, Yankees Hall of Famer, grew up on the Hills, as did former baseball player and broadcaster Joe Garagiola. This is Kings Highway Avenue, so if you go right on Kings Highway, you're going to run into I-64 and St. Louis University High School. Very good sports programs there. And then on the left, you can see that U-Haul sign, or that U-Haul building way over there. Right by that U-Haul building is Gateway Tech High School, which also has good sports programs, especially basketball and football. Sheldon Richardson, the 2013 NFL Defensive Player of the Year, or Defensive Rookie of the Year, rather, went to Gateway Tech High School. I've known that kid since he was 16 years old. Pretty soon we'll be out of the city of St. Louis and into the municipality of Maplewood. Still on Chouteau Avenue. Actually, I think it turned into Manchester. Yeah, it's Manchester now. Still Highway 100 West, though. One truck turns behind another one. Industrial area of St. Louis. Third rail bar. Railroad tracks right there, so you know, third rail bar. Another building right here with a 2019 Stanley Cup champion sign on it. They love their Blues here. They love their Cardinals more, but Blues definitely beloved. Nick's Pub right there is a good spot to watch a game. Nice quaint little neighborhood bar. That bridge is Hampton Avenue. That'll take you over to Forest Park, actually, to the north. St. Louis is a really fun city. A lot to do. Speaking of Forest Park, the zoo is a world-class zoo inside Forest Park, and it is free. The St. Louis Art Museum, which is another fantastic art museum. It's really, really big up on the beautiful Art Hill overlooking a lake. The St. Louis Art Museum, which they call SLAM, that is also free. So there's a lot of family-friendly things to do in St. Louis. Definitely spend some time here if you're traveling down Route 66. Don't make it a drive-through city because you're scared of big cities. As you can see, this is pretty easy. Filoni's Cafe. With a Bud Select sign on the building. And by the way, if you haven't had a Bud Select, which it's hard to get outside of this region, probably the best domestic beer on the market. You know, if you like just crushing Miller Lights or Bud Lights, Bud Select is superior to both of them. Another Route 66 sign right there, Highway 100 West. This place is great right there, Michael's Cafe. Can't really see it because of the Bud Light truck, but and now we are in Maplewood. Get your kicks, Maplewood. Like I said, pretty seamless transition from St. Louis City to the city of Maplewood and St. Louis County. turn left here on Southwest Avenue to head to Schlafly Brewing Company, another good craft brewery in St. Louis. So I hope you've enjoyed. Actually, I'm not turning left here on Southwest because you can't. But I hope you've enjoyed this little drive-through of the city of St. Louis on Route 66.